Right. Hey guys, welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, we'll talk about BTC. We'll take a look at BTC on a weekly basis, up to the monthly basis, and what type of price action we could be anticipating over the next few weeks going into 2024 and all that good stuff, right? So now, BTC, as you may know, guys, it is breaking out above the 0.618. We talked about the 0.618 after the breakout above the 32K area. We said, if we take out 32K area, we could get some sort of like a temporary resistance around the 37K area, and after that we could be going all the way up to 39 to a 41K area. Okay, why 39 to a 41? As I just said, it is the 0.618 Fibonacci based on log scale. We took a small stop right around 40K area and just broke out above it right now this week. Okay, you take a look at the weekly candle as of now, it is, it pumped nearly 10% in 1 week. Okay, and most bears are still saying like, oh, we're gonna dump down to the 10K area and all that good stuff. And BTC is giving us these massive weekly candle. Yes, it is not a lot, 10% for BTC in a bull market. It is okay, but we could even get like a 25-30% a weekly candle if the bull market really kicks in. Okay, as you can see right here, back in December 2020, this weekly candle alone was like over 25%. The following weeks, okay, we managed to get from the lows to the high another 27% breakout and all that good stuff. So 10% breakout, it is still okay, but it could go much higher if we're going to keep getting like some some people FOMOing into the market and all that good stuff. So it is not a good time to be FOMOing. At the same time, it is not a good time to be bearish in the market, right? What I mean about being bearish, because most people love to short BTC. I do not recommend shorting BTC as of now. I would just let the market do the work instead of basically trying to basically short BTC and all that good stuff. And at the same time, that's the first time we're getting like nearly 8 straight bullish weekly candles. Last time BTC managed to print 8 straight bullish weekly candle, I think was back in 2017, right here, May 2017, right? Right after, actually a year after the halving, right? Nearly. Okay, the previous one before that was around the bottom. Okay, just about like a $200, right? So we basically pumped like nearly 115%, right? But back then BTC was around like a $200, right? So still, what I'm trying to say is like market is extremely bullish, right? If we take a look at it in terms of indicators, I'm not seeing anything right now as of now. I don't see anything bearish, right? When we take a look at the MACD, the bearishness we had right here, as I said, be careful, because sometimes you can get a bearishness for a correction instead of a bearishness for a reversal, right? Not every bearish pattern, okay, is for a reversal. So sometimes you can basically just move sideways. This sideways correction did not drop lower below 25K, and as you can see right here, it just basically broke out above 32K, and now we talked about like 50K potentially over the next like a few weeks, okay, or at least before Q2 2024 and all that good stuff, right? So going back to the fibs, the next fib level to keep an eye on, it is just about like a point, just around like a $50,000 at 0.786 Fibonacci, right? In terms of price level, right, it is around like in terms of price level, in terms of resistance, right? Remember, you got two sort of resistances, right? A Fibonacci resistance, just like what happened right here, and you could get a price resistance. Our price resistance would be around like a mid, let's say 45.5 to a 46.5, right? Because on a quarterly basis, I've been discussing it over the last few months. Our quarterly resistance will be around the mid 45K, okay, 45.5 to 46.5 and all that good stuff. So if we can close above 45.5 to a 45.6, that would be extremely bullish going into 2024. Could we get some sort of rejection along the way? Yes, we will. Okay, I think BTC will be giving us some massive, I wouldn't call it massive, but some, some nice pullbacks down to the 3D 21, weekly 21, or even potentially to the monthly 21. But the problem with the monthly 21 is like, if we take a look at BTC in terms of like a monthly 21 EMA, throughout our previous halvings, right, we never retested the monthly 21 EMA after the halving. Okay, as you can see right here, the halving in 2012, right, we were above the monthly 21, never retested it until the bear market started. Okay, the halving of the 2016, we never basically retested the monthly 21 EMA till we till we tested 20k or so. All right, so you can see the previous halving also, 2020 halving, we did not basically retest the monthly 21 EMA till Q2, actually Q1 2022. So that's why, I'm saying like we could potentially see BTC, making higher lows without ever retesting the monthly 21 EMA till we basically start a new bear market. Okay, till we start a new bear market. So especially after the halving, could we retest it before the halving? It is a possibility, right? It is a possibility, but we're still above the weekly 21 EMA. Okay, we're still above the weekly 21 EMA, and we're not getting any sort of divergences as of now. We're not getting any bearishness in terms of like a, a potential reversal. Something we just got to keep in mind is also like the sideways correction we had right here was nearly, 7 months, okay, 6 to 7 months sideways correction. So I don't think we will just consolidate for 6 to 7 months and then basically just pump for 1 week. Okay, and just pump for 1 week. Okay, we could stay above the 32k area for a very, very long time. Okay, especially after the halving and all that good stuff. So basically, just to keep it short, BTC is strong. If we take a look at the BTC dominance, we talked about it back in January 2023, right? What we said was like the BTC dominance will be pulling back up. And if you take a look at it right here, back in January, right, the BTC dominance was around like a 41%, right? And we said we're going to be pushing higher. Okay, we're going to be pushing higher all the way up to a mid 50%. Why mid 50%? You do a swing high to swing low, right? 50% pullback. 0.618 going to be around the 57%. Could we retest 0.618 at 57%? It means if we do, it means like BTC will most likely retest 50k. BTC will most likely retest 50k. So something to keep in mind, BTC is extremely bullish, right? And we could see like some more upside over the next like a few weeks, as long as we're not printing any bearishness. Okay, and once again, it doesn't mean all coins won't be pushing to the upside, right? It only means BTC will be pushing higher than alt. For instance, if BTC pushes up 10%, alt might only pump like 5%, 7%, or 8%, something like that, okay, collectively. But some of them will pump a lot higher than BTC, right? So you cannot be saying like, oh, BTC is pumping, the BTC dominance is going up, then alt will be dumping. So as of now, we want the BTC dominance to go up. If you understand exactly in what stage we are, right? We are in, you got to understand like we need the BTC dominance to even go above like a 60%, 63, 65. Even if it goes up to like a 68, I'm gonna be extremely satisfied, because I know all that liquidity will be basically getting dumped back into alt, and alt will be basically taken over for a long period of time. Okay, so one thing to remember, the BTC dominance going up, it is not a bad thing. You have to think about it like BTC has to clear the way for alt to be able to pump. All right, so if we take a look at total 3, let's take a look at total 3. The total 3 market cap, as I said in my previous live stream, back in I think one of my previous live stream back in October and all that good stuff, I was saying like the total 3 already bottomed, okay, and we could be going back up to the 450 and all that good stuff. So if we take out 450 billion market cap, we could be going all the way up to a 50% retracement, which is somewhere around like a 568, okay, 568 billion. Okay, so we'll see if bulls will remain strong over the next like a few weeks. Okay, in terms of MACD, it looks pretty good. No sign of bearishness. Okay, no sign of bearishness. If we get any shakeouts, you know, bulls do have the they do have the weekly 21 EMA as of now, somewhere around like a 371 billion, right? But as of now, alt, they still looking good collectively, right? Some of them not pumping as hard as, you know, Solana or like a Ordi and all that good stuff, but they will catch up. They will catch up. Okay, so we'll see how it goes. Let's take a look at total 2. So you take a look at total 2, nice breakout, now slightly above 700 billion. We do know like a, you know, 700 to a 720, it is a resistance. So breaking above this key area could take us all the way up to 858, roughly around like a 800 billion, right, to you know, 900 billion, give or take, okay, in this range. So we'll see if the momentum will continue over the next like a few weeks with the you know, alt season potentially kicking in, right? And we could see much higher prices on Ethereum, XRP, you know, Solana, you know, Tezos, you name it. All these top coins could be basically pumping along, you know, along BTC and all that good stuff, okay? So that's all I wanted to cover. So if you're new to our content, don't forget to hit the likes. Don't basically forget to join the public Telegram group, link in the description. You can also join some crypto premium group, link in the description for the you know, alt update, you know, BTC update, Ethereum update, and all that good stuff. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching.